Zumzy's bath time. Splish splash, it's bath time for Zumzy. Bath time is so much fun, let's go. First, the warm water. Water, splash, splash, splash. In goes Zumzy. The water feels so nice. Look, so many bubbles. Bubbles, pop, pop, pop. Catch the bubbles, pop them all. Who is this? A yellow rubber duck. Rubber duck, squeak, squeak. Hello, ducky. Swim, swim, little duck. Now let's wash. Wash, scrub, scrub, scrub. Wash your head, scrub your tummy. So clean. All done. Time for the towel. Towel, rub, rub, rub. Dry, dry, dry. So warm and cozy. Water, bubbles, ducky, wash towel. Hooray! Zumzy is squeaky clean. Bath time is the best. Bye-bye, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.